Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G and I will show you how face unlock works in this smartphone. So I'm going to make a few tries and I will check how it performs. So let's start. Oh, so as you can see, it's very fast. Today I also tested face unlock in Asus Zenfone 8 and it works in the same speed. So that's really cool. Okay. I just pressed too hard, so wait a minute. Okay, let's make a few tries. Okay, so as you can see, it works really fast and it's also reliable. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.